We're going to be unboxing this and assembling this item right here. The Rachel Roy Live Streaming Studio 10-inch light ring with phone clip and tripod. So we're going to be unboxing this and assembling it. I'm also going to be giving my thoughts about it and also price point and where you be able to get it. So before I get started, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner. I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. I appreciate it. Also, if I've added value, please hit the like button on this video. And feel free to leave comments. I always look forward to reading comments and responding to all your comments. So let's unbox this baby. All right. This is your manual. So it comes with a manual of what you get and how to assemble it. And then it comes with your tripod, which is this, with the skinny legs this time. And it's metal, not plastic. Just wanted to point that out. So I'm going to leave the tripod here on the base. Then you have your tripod head, which is very important, the most important piece. This piece basically aligns the tripod legs with the ring light. So you see the screw that's popped up here? It's going to go under this tripod head down here. Let me talk about the tripod head. So the tripod head basically, it has a ball inside. You can see here, it's metal. This right here is a pressure button. So when you tighten it, the pressure is there, it stays in position. If you loosen it, it allows you to pan and tilt. See, as you can, up to 90 degrees, see? So let's just keep it upright for the video. So I'm going to tighten it. There we go. And I'm going to screw it into the base. So this is a 10-inch ring light. It's a 3 light modes. Has a remote, USB powered. And this is your ring light right here. And as I said, USB powered, so you can hook it up to your laptop. You'll need a wall jack that has a USB in order to get power juice to your ring light. And also it comes with a remote right here. Now a bit about the remote. The red button is for your on and off power. The minus and the plus are for your brightness levels, going up, plus going up 10 brightness levels, minus going down 10 brightness levels. In between that is the 2 lines is your modes. So that allows you to do your 3 light modes. Usually they have like a white light mode and 2 other colors. They all use different names for it, but we'll check it out once we turn it on with the power. So let's go ahead and install this ring light onto the tripod head. So you see the screw there. It's going to go under the hole in the ring light. There we go. Okay. I'm going to just unleash these USB line. There we go. The line is available now. And I'm going to plug the USB into the power wall jack over the USB. Now I'm going to grab the final piece, which is your phone holder and your phone holder stand, which is this piece right here. Now this piece comes already attached together. You can still deattach it. So basically how you want to do that is you want to take the phone holder stand off the phone holder. You just twist this button here to loosen the pressure, and you just pull this out. It's just a little ball that's pushed in, as you can see, to the phone holder. And you just tighten this so that it stays in place, doesn't fall out. So of course this is a wide mouth, so you can just pull it, just opens it wide. You can put your iPhone in there. Let's do that to make sure it fits. As you can see, your iPhone's right there. So it allows you, once this is stuck on, you gotta bend the phone holder stand. You can actually twist it to different vertical or horizontal positions, depending up to you. So that's very flexible. Just wanted to point that out. Let me take my phone out so you guys get a better view of the ring light. I'm going to take this with the screws on the bottom of the phone holder stand and screw it into the little circle in the ring light. So I'm just going to give you some basic specifications about this item, the Rachel Roy Live Streaming Studio 10 light ring, 10-inch ring light, and also the tripod with 3 light modes. So it comes with a smartphone holder, so you can live stream with ease. The holder rotates 360. You can always get the perfect angle, control brightness, and light modes with included remote. In the box, as I said before, you get your 10-inch ring light, which is this, smartphone clip and smartphone holder. You get your tripod, which is your legs down here. You get your tripod head, which is in between. And then your power cord with remote, which is this item here. And I plugged it in. And as you can see, the remote is powered up with power on it. Now, what are the materials? This is ABS plus metal. It's light beads. The light beads are about 120 pieces. The input is 5 volts 2A. The power is 10 watts. 3 light modes, cold, warm, and cold and warm. So again, this is the name that they use to describe the light modes. It's either cold, it's either warm, or it's either cold and warm together. The color temperatures are 3000 to 6000 K, and the coloring renderance index, CRI, is 80 RA. The lumen is 450 to 700 LM lumens. So that's some specifications for all of you guys out there about this item. So let's go ahead and just power this up. You can go to the remote where the button is, with the red button there, and it's powered up because you can see the background light blue. Hit that, boom, you get your modes now. So my assumption, let's see what kind of modes you get with the different modes. So this one here is definitely going to be your code. So code, I would say this one's probably your warm, and this is your cold and warm. So let's go down the brightness levels 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. As you can see, the brightness levels has gone down. Let's increase it back 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there you have it. This is your Rachel, as it says, live streaming studio. What is the price on this? So you get it at your regular retail store. It's probably going to cost you about $25 to $30. What are your regular retail store? It's like your Target or even your Macy's department stores. You get a discount retail store, maybe about $15 to $20. What is a discount retail store? It's probably about your TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Marshall, Ross. So all of those type of examples there. What are my thoughts on this? I think this light is very nice. It's a 10-inch, so it's a little bit bigger. There's a lot of 8, 6 inches even for table lights. It's very easy to assemble. As you can see, it probably takes less than 7 minutes or 6 minutes. You can carry it with you. The light's a little bit bigger, so if you want to carry it with you on a plane or bring it to like Starbucks, you can do that still, even though it's a 10-inch. But I can see that 10-inch is probably the max for, you know, efficiency to carry it with you. The tripod itself is a little bit different. It's just very slim legs, so it actually gives you more room. So that's a good idea there too. The tripod head is separate, and it allows you, you know, flexibility, you know, so you can carry that piece as a separate piece. It's not all in one. So all in all, this is a great piece for cosmetology, for vlogging, blogging. If you want to talk to your friends, you need some lights, especially if you're in a dark place. You can have this light and you can do your vlogging and your blogging. Also for cosmetology, or if you're doing hair, it just works for a lot of great different areas. It's a great starter item. It's great for the tabletop. I would definitely buy this if I was doing that stuff. I think it's a great item. Rachel Roy, the box itself is pretty nice. I just wanted to point that out. I mean, the box is not that important, but it also comes with the manual. The thing is, a lot of these ring lights, sometimes they don't come with manuals to a small portion of them. So all in all, this is a great item. I like it. It's 10-inch. So let me know if you guys have this. If you guys have this, leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. Any issues with it, or has it been all great? Also, if I've added value with this video, definitely leave me a like. And feel free to subscribe to my channel. It's very important. I'm trying to build up my subscriber base right now. I really, really appreciate it. Also, one safety note I just wanted to point out, whenever you guys have these on, if you guys stop using the ring light and you need to turn it off, make sure to always hit the power button to turn it off, instead of just pulling the USB. I just wanted to point that out there from a safety point. But I hope you guys stay safe, take care, and I will always upload new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and talk to you then.